In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the amazing health benefits of castor oil and how to use it to really get great results for your skin, your hair, your immune system, and your overall health. And so let's talk about it. So ricinoleic acid is the main component of castor oil. Roughly 90% of the results from using castor oil come from ricinoleic acid. There's also undecanoic acid that's in there, and also vitamin E as well. So there's antioxidants that are in castor oil as well. And so castor oil can be used to help support lymph drainage. It helps dilate, open up the bile ducts, and helps thin the bile in your liver as well as in your gallbladder. And there's so many people out there that are dealing with very thick and also congested bile ducts. So the bile ducts are congested. The bile itself is very thick and it's moving very, very slowly. This can result in a lot of gastrointestinal problems, so poor digestion, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, acid reflux. It can result in poor detoxification, gallbladder issues, gallstones, a whole wide variety of different issues, because bile is very, very important for improving our blood sugar, for sterilizing the small intestine, so killing off bacteria in the small intestine is very important for emulsifying fats, so we can digest fats, as well as fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin A, D, E, and K. And there's so many people out there, again, that are dealing with very thick, very congested bile ducts. And if that is an issue, you're not going to be able to digest your food effectively. You're not going to be able to detoxify effectively and absorb key nutrients effectively. And so that's one of my favorite reasons to use castor oil, is actually just taking a pack and putting a little bit of castor oil on a flannel or a castor oil pack and kind of strapping it around right over the liver and gallbladder. And again, that's going to open up, it's going to stimulate the bile ducts. And that's what ricinoleic acid does. It stimulates the smooth muscles in there. They open up and now the bile can flow through. Also, there's compounds in there that help to thin that bile down so it's not so congested. So super important for dilating the bile ducts. Also improves bowel motility. So there's so many people out there that are dealing with constipation. You can actually just take castor oil orally, take about a teaspoon or so, and it will help flush your system out, help move. It helps the intestinal system to contract, causing what we call peristalsis throughout your intestines, and helps move feces through your intestinal tract. And that's so key because when you consume food, you really want to get the waste from that food out within 24 hours. If it sits in your system, it rots and it putrefies, and it creates all these endotoxins that drive up inflammation in the system. It causes unwanted overgrowth of different bacteria, parasites, fungi that are going to cause unwanted problems in your system. So you got to move your bowels. Castor oil can be used to help move things through your system. Very powerful for that. It also helps reduce pain and swelling. And this is because it improves circulation. It improves overall oxygenation of tissues. The more highly oxygenated the tissues are in your body and the better your lymphatic system is, your circulatory system brings oxygen to the cells. Lymphatic system helps pull waste, right? The venous system, your veins, as well as your lymphatic system pull waste away. So the better that the circulatory system as well as the lymphatic system is working, the less pain and the faster your tissues will heal and repair. So that's why it's so good for pain and swelling. It also supports your immune system. So it actually helps enhance immunity because you're reducing waste and you're improving tissue oxygenation. So a lot of powerful benefits right here. Castor oil is something I really think just about everybody is going to get benefits from using on a regular basis. And it's very affordable, very inexpensive and affordable. I recommend getting it in a glass jar, dark glass jar, okay, and getting it organic without any kind of additives and preservatives and things like that. So there's a great brand that I like. It's called Queen of Thrones. I'll have a link wherever you're listening to this, but it's powerful. And so a couple things we can do with it. We can also use it for beauty and for skin. So I talked about all these great benefits here, but beauty and skin is actually really popular for, there's a lot of people are using it for these purposes, hair growth and dandruff. So basically you just take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of castor oil, mix it really good into your hair, and you can wear a nightcap and sleep with it. anytime you're trying to get skin or hair results, it's best to keep the castor oil in for at least 20 minutes. Somewhere between 20 minutes to up to an hour is kind of the sweet area where you're gonna really get the results. After about an hour, it's dried in, the results, there's diminishing returns by keeping it in. However, just for simplicity, like if you're doing it before you go to bed, you can keep it in. There's no harm in that. You just wanna make sure you wash it out when you're done. Wash it out in the morning. Okay, so that's for hair growth and dandruff. And so for a lot of people out there that are dealing with thinning hair, just put that castor oil in there. And again, it improves tissue oxygenation. So it's gonna draw more circulation up into those hair follicles. And if the hair follicles are dying because of lack of circulation and lack of nutrient delivery, that's gonna really help them repair, help them function better, and therefore you're gonna get better hair growth, right? And so that's key there. Eyebrow growth. So a lot of people have thinning in the eyebrows. And so just taking a little Q-tip, in fact, I've got one right here. So if I were to take a Q-tip and just kind of massage it in there, just put a little bit of castor oil on, or just rub it in there even with my finger, now I'm gonna start to get more circulation into that area, into the hair follicles with my, in my eyebrows. Bags under your eyes. A lot of people are seeing great results with this. Now, anytime I see big bags under the eyes, I think lymphatic and liver stagnation. That is typically, the root cause of big bags under your eyes. A high amount of endotoxins circulating in the system, so microbial overgrowth, releasing endotoxins like lipopolysaccharides that drive up inflammation in the body. The liver's not functioning well, it's liver stagnation. We talked about bile stagnation. That goes hand in hand with liver stagnation because bile is made in the liver. And so if you're not moving bile effectively, you're not gonna have healthy, well-functioning liver. And so big bags under the eyes, you gotta think lymphatic system, poor circulation overall, poor tissue oxygenation, poor waste removal, poor liver function. So clearly just using a castor oil pack over your liver gallbladder area will help improve bags under eyes. But you can also take some castor oil and just massage it a few drops, massage it under the eyes, and that will help to bring more tissue oxygenation into that area, will help the lymphatics in the face to drain, and you'll notice a reduction in those bags under the eyes. So really key there. Acne. So acne is, again, tissue stagnation. It's gonna be an infection in your skin. And so that means that the sebum, right, the oil producing glands, the sebaceous glands are not functioning at their best, and we're not draining the lymphatic system in the face effectively. So just putting a little bit over acne, that will help bring more tissue oxygenation and circulation into that area, and will help the lymphatic system drain waste, drain toxins, drain bacteria, and help improve also the immune system in that area in your skin. And so that's key there. You can also do it for a face mask, just for overall improving tissue oxygenation to your face, for better skin health and better facial complexion. What you wanna do here is you take roughly about a teaspoon of castor oil, mix it with 1 egg, okay, particularly the yolk is really the most important part of the egg, and you make a paste. And then you take that paste and you put it all over your face, leave it for 20 minutes. Again, that's kind of like the sweet zone, 20 to 60 minutes roughly. And then you would clean it off. Okay, so 20 minutes for most people for the face mask, hard to sleep with that, but you can rest, okay, take a little nap or something like that, and then wash it off, clean it off. Going back to acne, one thing you wanna do is before you put it on acne is you wanna clean your face, right? Clean that area, clean your face, then put the castor oil. That's usually the recommended approach when it comes to utilizing it. Kind of wanna clean areas of the skin before you go ahead and use it. Sunburns, works really good with sunburns. I use a 1-to-1 ratio, castor oil and coconut oil, and it's great for helping your body adapt to however much sun you were exposed to. Certainly if your skin is really sensitive from a sunburn, that will help bring better tissue oxygenation. The better oxygenated the tissue is, the faster that area is gonna heal and repair. So you can also use it for sunburns. You can use it for moisturizing your skin in general. Works really, really good. So again, with castor oil, amazing benefits, really helps improve tissue oxygenation, circulation. I recommend this brand called Queen of Thrones. They have a whole bunch of different types of castor oil and different, well, they're all the same. It's all castor oil, but different containers for it. And they have a whole bunch of different supplies. Like for example, under bags under eyes, they actually have this little eye mask, a flannel eye mask that you can put castor oil on, and then you just kind of strap this on over your head, and you wear this over your eyes at night, and that will help to improve the bags under your eyes. So you wake up with a better overall complexion and a healthier face, a healthier appearance. And so if you're noticing bags under your eyes, you're noticing that you're just fatigued, that you're having digestive issues, that you just don't feel like you're detoxifying effectively, start adding in castor oil into your regular regimen, and I know you're gonna see great results. And be sure to check drjockers.com. We've got a great article all about castor oil with all the different recipes and how to use it properly. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you in a future video. Everybody be blessed.